Good morning, Sir, Madam. I am Maria Sara Año Nuevo, 39 years of age, from San Pedro, Laguna, Philippines. I am graduated as a radiologic technologist in Emilio Aguinaldo College. We are 5 in the family. I have 2 sisters and I am the youngest. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a single parent. I am separated for almost 9 years and have 3 kids, ages 19, 16, and 8. They are still in my custody, and I still live with my parents. Sir and Madam, I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family and my parents as well. And as a helper, I will do my job like household chores, cooking food, and wash the dishes, do the laundry, and cleaning the house. And I can also bring your children to school and help them in their assignments. And I can teach them how to sing, and I am willing to learn how to speak Mandarin and to cook Chinese food. Sir and Madam, if you choose me as a helper, I will treat your family as my own, and I will do my duties and responsibilities. I am honest and hardworking and a patient one. And Sir, Madam,